Steve katumuleke ffe tusomeko.
Awa.
The good thing it's recorded. Now, guys, this is it. Guys, come on, mkomeo. With our vowel sounds, don't forget, tugambe zino, they're very crucial.
It was still warm. Hot. Right. Alas.
Our vowel sounds, don't forget. Sounds, mwerabira amannya. Okay? We should focus on the sounds. Era kye njagala kibeere mu mitwe gyaffe. Sounds. The consonants that we are going to focus on, this, this, plus this, then this, then this, and this. Okay? Olwaleero ye set ya consonants gye tugenda olabako nga tweyambisa vowels zino eno tukole ennyingo. Kuba ziri zonna nga tuzirabye tusobola zikozesa. Gamba ate bijja bavaamu bubi. Ekikulu mujja zisoma muzitegeere. Neteeka kasa mwitegeere eziri open bwe zibeera n'eziri closed butya bwe zibeera. So now, let's try to practice blending these consonants plus our vowel sounds. Remember, all are sounds that we are dealing with. So what's the sound of this? And this? 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 And this? Great. So this? 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 Good. This? And this? Great. Here we go. Now our practice. Let's begin with this plus this plus this. Let's blend the sounds together to get a word.
Mat.
Kesembe sigiwulidde mwanguye nnyo. It should be mat. Mat. So the word is mat. Good. Next is this plus this plus this. So we blend the sounds together and we get the word. Let's begin with blending the sounds. C.
E. Side. Sit.
Owulidde bannange?
Sit.
Wangi?
Sit.
It. Nga bw'oziwulira amaloboozi bwe tugayiza era bwe tugatula ne wano. It. Ne tumala bwe tugagatta wamu. Sit. Toteekamu ayi. Terina wejjira erinnya tetugaagala mannya. Tetugaagala. It's it. It. Nga bw'okiwa sit.
Okay.
Okay. So and we get sit. Next. Another one. It's O and P. So let's blend the sounds together to read the word. O. P. And the word is?
Mop.
Good. Mop. Good. Next. It's B. A and G. Let's blend the sounds to form a word.
Bag.
Bag. Wonderful. B-A-G. Bag. Good. And the last one is this. D. O. G.
Dog.
Dog.
Dog. Good. What is dog? From D. O. G. Dog. Are we together? Now, we are going to read. Okay? Our reading. Who is ready?
Me, teacher. I can.
Good. Our reading practice. One, this one, I, is a what? Is a pronoun. Kategeeza muntu. Nga bwe twagambye kakozeseddwa ku ka. Mboozi. Kitegeeza kagenda kukola I so si E. Kakola I era tukawandiika na nnota nnene. Kuba ka representinga muntu mulamba. So kajja vuga I. Okay. So tugezaako kola sentence from the words that we have created. Okay. We began with mat, from art, mat, sit, up, mop, bag, dog, dog. Now kati nga gwe you're working somewhere, emirimu gy'olina kusiimula kutwala zibaale nakoona kadde, you know. Now let's try to see how we can do this. What do you
Teacher,
do?
what is Zibale? Zibale?
Zibale is trash. Rubbish.
Zibala.
Hey. Zibale. Zibala. Zibala. Okay. So we do I mop. You see? I mop. What do you do?
I mop.
I mop. Next. What do you do when you are eating or learning? You sit. You say, I sit. What do you do?
I sit.
I
sit.
Good. Ntula. Kati gwe atayogera weekutte okugera. Tugenda okugoba mu kibiina. Next. Akalala kaba ke kweyogerako. Kagenda tugamba nti I am kano. Akagambo kano am kategeeza nga weeyogerako oba ekintu nga kyeyogerako. Kitugamba ki kye tuli, kye kiri oba kiki kyali omuntu. Bwe kiba kintu kiki kye kiri. Alright? So, this thing is saying I am a dog.
I am.
Or I am dog. I am
dog.
dog. Hey,
I am a dog.
Ndimbwa.
Dog.
Are we together?
Yes. Yes,
So,
teacher.
who are you? Ate gwe, who are you?
I am a dog.
Hey.
I am a dog.
I am a dog. Patricia.
I am a dog.
No, wait. Hey, at least I am Jalia. Mama, thank you so much, Jalia. Now obadde omukuba ngambye I am a dog. Who are you? Someone say, I am Jalia.
I am a Jalia.
Not Amajalia.
I am a Jalia. A Jalia.
Oba wemudde mu Luganda. mu Lungereza.
Okay.
You just say buli balinnya lyo lyomentioninze erinnya lyo lyennyini like mbasigenze wala erinnya lyo bweliba omentioninze erinnya eryakutuumibwa. Okay, that's a proper noun. Erinnya lyo lyennyini eryakuweebwa. That's when you say Jalia. Toteekako ka a. You don't need to
Okay.
put it. Naye ate singa oba oyogedde erinnya lyo lino ery'olukale mwenna muli bawala naye ng'ayagala gwe kwejjawo nti nze ndi muwala mubalala weeyogerako nga gwe. That's when you say I am a girl. Or I
Okay.
am
I
a
am a
woman. Or I am a
teacher.
lady.
I am a lady.
Or I
Yeah.
am a worker. I am a student. Or I
I
am
am
any
a house manager.
Thank you. I am a house manager. Kyonna tweyagala. Basali balinnya lyange.
I am a professional doctor.
Thank you. I'm a
I
professional
am.
doctor.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Tubutegedde.
Yes.
Anaasigalira obwedde kubanga luno olusoma ate dde olusufu.
Ng'olusufu nuko
N'agamba ngenda
kusinga kululira
combining a
ekyalimu.
lot. Spellings, reading byonna tulina obisoma. Wamu.
Kasavu kanyama,
Kasavu
kasavu
kanyama
kanyama.
kuba bwe tunaalinda tucompleting spellings and reading. Tetujja kutambula. Kubanga ebimu bwe twongerako ate bye twayize abamu nga bivaamu. Bannange.
Yes, teacher, I thank you.
Aha, so that's it. Obudde buli against me. But oboolyawo, I would have taught this vocabulary, some of these vocabulary words. But we'll begin from there tomorrow, inshallah, by God's will. So, if you have any question, ask it. If there is no, let's stop here for today. We call it a day. And I want to wish you a lovely, beautiful, blessed Ramadan.
Teacher.
Yes, please.